To the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne, and now Dwayne is talking about Erica, Maxine, and more. So go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have a wonderful day.
And look up, I'm pretty. They look a young girl, like me and my friend here. Big up my friend from Mobile with that pretty grandbaby. You see look a bit look like cute, and she always in her grandmother lap. You will never get opportunity with a little grandson, look a dirty woman. You will never get that. You will never, ever hold your grandbaby in your hand. Move by yourself. I'm jealous of Maxine. You're jealous of Maxine, dirty woman. Yeah, you're jealous of Maxine. Or not found a pie, yeah. Jealous of Maxine because Maxine have grandbabies and one of them have none. Move fire, so. God, you see, God blesses people who deserve to be blessed with grandchildren, and some on the pie will never have a grandbaby. Can't pick them barren. Move fire, so on the barren picking them on the barren mules them. Work from both, yeah. Not too much, don't me get out. I keep on telling you, you're doing too much on here. Porty doing too much on here, woman. And then I'm going to give a philanthropist award. Philanthropist award for what? For tearing up people every day? For tearing up people every day? Imagine, let me give you another example. I'm going to give you guys another example. Imagine Curly come out. Curly came out from a good place in regards to 99, right? Yet to this dirty woman come call woman cockeye. Your pum no cock. Okay, you're not going to cock in the pum. Okay, you're not going to cock in the pum though. And that's your mother Curly, because Curly get a blood clot body dirty woman. You're not get none. Then again, you have to buy one. Oh, and I know that dirty man look how you fling out to your move for yourself. You're right. What I've been told you, I know the things about you. Me know the things about you, girl. Me in your house, you don't even know me in your ass house. You're right. You're outarder. And you're a thief. I will always say Porty is a thief. Porty is a social media thief. And 99 continues to end those Porty thieving. 99 continues to end those Porty thieving. Erica, move faster. On the teeth and nasty blood. Blow not. I'm alright. People, I'm not saying 19 is a thief. I'm saying Porty a thief. Porty a thief. Me never say 19 a thief. Me will never come on social media and say 19 a thief. But I'm going to say Porty a thief. Because we can't prove that Porty a thief. Me can't prove it's a 19 a thief. Me can't do that, girls. Me can't prove it's a 19 a thief. Me can't prove it's a 19 a thief. But me can't prove it's a Porty a thief. Is what? Take it to the Lord in prayer. Leave me alone. Porty sue me. Port consume me. Me have my evidence wrap up away for you like a dirty thief and dirty woman. I have my evidence in my phone for sure the judge you're a thief or you're a scammer, you're a social media scammer, dirty woman. Collecting the hundreds of thousands and the 200. Hey, you see that baker boy there? You see that baker boy there? The people them know them, you know. I bet you any money, Porty not get no visa for go to Canada. He not get no visa. If he get visa, I come back and take my word. If he get the visa, I'm going to come back and take my word. But he not get no visa. And they call it come on toes if you get like a thief and dirty woman. After she have much hundreds of toes in her account, I see if a bud and blood clot John Gotti when they not come back to her. Thief and dirty woman. John Gotti not come back. John Gotti move on, woman. John Gotti move on. You see, he not even call the phone. Probably not even call the phone. Okay, listen, him outgrow you. John Gotti outgrow you. Porty. John Gotti has outgrown. He can't live a big fire now. What about the Pia woman? Whatever them house a shell down. Where fire with an almost shell down, pop down house. You're right. Go the money we are thief. Go take care and fix up your wall. You see what your wall full of how much crack dirty woman. Go fix a crack up wall them. Have to figure ass though and leave Maxine alone thinking, woman. Darling, all that you get it, I don't care. Make we wait and see. Darling, even if you get it, me not care. Me not care. Porty a thief. Porty is a thief. Porty is getting hundreds of thousands in her account from the people them are firing. I'm now gonna talk. She get hundreds of thousands from the people are firing. Porty, why are you not talking about the hundreds of thousands you're getting from foreign, from the Zelle and the Cash App? You're going to RIA, you're going to MoneyGram, you're going to Western Union, you're going to all of them, all of the remits in Jamaica. Talk about that. Talk about all of the remits you continue to go to get the hundreds of thousands for the people that are foreign. And that if you talk about that human. Talk about that little blood clot, Maxwell stinking bitch. Talk about that dirty woman. Every day, cackeye. Curly have man. Where your man, where the joke where you get in your stinking done out blood clot eye in a hole. Where the man the way a friggin' your old dirty woman. Curly have man. All when you have cackeye. She have man. And she have. Nah, but I say that. You're too altered, dirty woman. You're too altered. Yeah, it's too altered. You're doing too much. You are doing way too much. I'm tired of you. Porty, I am tired of you, dirty, thinking woman. Leave Maxine alone. I'm gonna get some juice. Terrace clot. Tired of you, dirty woman, man. Enough for you. Every day you want to come pop them, peep. Pop them. Go pop them every time. Don't know what's front. Go pop them, you don't know what's front. Go and pop them, you don't know what's front. Go pop them, you don't know what's front. You see it? You have to give it the damn selling front. Cause no man now buy your jerk thinking prune front. No man now buy a prune front. Move for yourself. That's the you find other avenue. And come and social media can teach people their money to make yourself look good. And all the teeth you have teeth, all them dirty with you buy, you still don't look cute. Move for yourself. All the people the money we have teeth buy them only for stay about synthetic with you. You still don't look cute. Go and buy some human hair. You'd be an idiot. Go and buy some human hair teeth in that too, man. You stink like pee-pee. Like one buckle of stale piss. When we got this park, boy, I back out with dash pan dirty woman. And people like this should dash in your face. Okay, I want a dirty girl. You're bright. I'm tired of you. Leave Maxine alone. Anyways, I had to vent on Port. We don't have to you done that to me. Don't have to, you know. When I'm ready for cuss, when I'm ready for a cuss, man, I'm ready for your dirty woman. I'm ready for you now. I know I'm drunk, I know I'm ready. Not ready for any of you know. I'm ready for you know. I'm ready for all of you. And who want to say, oh, he's hurt. Move on the nasty blood clot. Oh, somebody carry is my mother, Maureen did, and she loves me tremendously. I love my mother tremendously. Not for the care of a blood clot, mama paya. Not for the pie on the shame on a blood clot, mama. On the shame on the mama. I said that's a put on a rasp on a blood clot. Go for ya. Go for ya. I love my mother. That's my dash out my mother. Say me good man. Say me good girl, Maria, girl and boys. Mommy, I love you. Love you, darling. Move face to love in a blood clot, mama. That's the brass clot though. Cause the can't put more in a ass camera. Right. Tired of though. I'm tired of you people. Enough of mama shape bad. Enough of mama fear from blood clot cho. Sticking sick. And shape bad. That's enough of the can say, oh, social media, here's my mother. Scroll my page. Me fling up my good girl mother, come mother, beautiful black woman. And enough of the more shape from blood clot man. Enough of the more shape from blood clot. What you call the people there? Them door man. Was stand up a door and secure the dance door. Move for yourself. On the shape bad mama. No more for your blood clot. Dirty cho. Man, let me get out. But I'm not afraid of no. I'm telling you a long time. And people, hello. I don't care who for people don't. I do not care who people don't want to support me. I don't care about none. I don't care about 99 people. I don't care about none of you. I don't leg from both here. Lift up from both here. I am tired of you people. I'm allowed to be tired of all of you actually. Alright? Yes, darlings, enough for now. Have a break, man. Take a break. Admin, black out them nasty blouse and skirt. You reach now. Praise the Lord. Black out them backside. Or screenshot them and send them because I black them too. And black where you can black them to out order. Right. Enough for now. I say enough for now. Stop pop down people now look for now. And this dirty one go on in like, oh, cock. Leave cockeye alone. Cockeye have a ass cock for friggin' in the wall. Go find one friggin' off your wall too. Go find one cock for friggin' off your friggin' wall too. Cockeye have man, have cock for friggin' in the rotted wall. You have one friggin' off your dry up, prune up, pum, dirty woman. You're bright. None of you on here is more than me. None of you on here is more than me. Mark my word. Come say I mean make nothing reach one way, including that dirty poor